I'm very sweaty because I just cut my grass, but I've been having issues with a particular sandhill crane by the name of George. It always walks between my house and my neighbor's house, and it pecks at my screen, and it's actually destroying my screen. I'm gonna show you right now. He's pecked open my screen right there, and now he's working on pecking open my screen right there. So I wanna get rid of Mr. George safely. So I decided I would get this. Boom, D-Bird Bird Repellent. An owl in flight. Scares away birds. Look at that. Deadly owl. Predator. Oh gosh. Is there an owl behind me about to attack? Yes, George. And now that sandhill crane will be scared away safely. And reflective. That's right. Bird of prey scares him away. It's gonna work. Oh yeah, it should be working now. The owls are here. See, he's not even walking on my side. That's right. You see them owls? George? You see them owls? Come on, owls. He's just walking. You better stay on this, you better stay on that side. Them owls will attack you, George. Them owls. George. George, the owls. Dang it. George, owls. Woo! That's the owl did that. The owls, George. You're ignoring my owls. George. Damn owl, you didn't do nothing. You did nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and take these down now, because they ain't working. It's gonna work.